Today we will be creating an AI agent that will interact with an ERP system to find suppliers and create orders. We will be using Gen AI model screen inside our data science application. You can configure and deploy any number of AI agents, equipping them with access to tools and resources, while leveraging the LLM provider of your choosing using this screen. We start by describing our agent, giving it an ID, name, description. We will be also assigning it to a business domain and add some tags for grouping our agents, in case our team of agents grows in time. We will be also selecting where we would like this agent to run, from our existing list of runners. We will be using our training runner for this scenario. Most of these fields are optional and used for documentation and grouping purposes. Next, we will be defining the instructions for our AI agent, which is the system message agent will receive as the first prompt, defining its behavior. You can be as specific as you want in the instructions or keep it more generic, even empty, if you prefer to send more specific prompts when communicating with the agent later on. As I mentioned at the beginning, you can pick any LLM provider for your AI agent, which we select from the Model tab. We can also specify where we will be keeping chat memory for the agent and its size, in case the agent needs to remember conversations. We can also enter model settings, such as model name and temperature, or the API key for accessing OpenAI services. Our API key is kept in our Secure Secrets configuration, so we are only adding a reference to it on this screen. Next, we will be providing tools to our AI agent, so that it can take actions and access our database tables and systems integrations through simple configurations. We are adding multiple Saga flows, which we configured before, for finding products, suppliers and initiating orders. We are adding ability to send emails as well so that it can forward our order details for approvals. Once we save our agent, it will be automatically deployed and available immediately for action. You can communicate with your new AI agent directly from within the platform. You can select the agent you would like to chat with, see the actions it can take and ask for its support. As you can see, the agent is capable of searching for products from the ERP system, recommending vendors and issuing a purchase request with the tools we provided. Your agent can be integrated into any user interface or system easily, as it becomes automatically accessible through an API as well. You can also audit the behavior of your AI agent, including tokens it used as well as its actions.